Hello viewers, once again welcome back in our new video. In this video we will discuss one of the important topic, and I'm sure this topic will be important for those person who is getting to be GST registration. So today's topic is what is rule regarding furnishing of bank account details during GST registration. Guys, on this topic three major questions can be arise. The first one is furnishing bank details mandatory at the time of GST registration application? The second question is, if not, then what is the time limit? The third, the important one, are all bank details should be provided? So guys, be at then, let's start the video now.
And students of AITCS. In today's video discussion, we shall discuss regarding furnishing of bank detail at the time of filing application for GST registration. All the persons who are associated with the GST profession must have came across at the situation where GST application for registration is to be done. तो GST रजिस्ट्रेशन करते समय एक क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है कि क्लाइंट से क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट, क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव करें, और उस इंफॉर्मेशन और डॉक्यूमेंट्स में वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स which is required to furnish is the details of बैंक अकाउंट. तो क्या ये बैंक अकाउंट्स की डिटेल्स जीएसटी की एप्लीकेशन रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए फाइल करते समय तुरंत चाहिए, या फिर बैंक डिटेल्स कैन बी फर्निश्ड आफ्टर हैविंग जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर? If it is not required instantly, then how many days after which furnishing of bank account is required? It is also one of the important question which usually arises. क्या डीलर के पास, टैक्सपेयर के पास जितने भी बैंक अकाउंट हैं, करेंट अकाउंट, सेविंग अकाउंट, सभी की डिटेल्स जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन करते समय देनी होगी? वी शैल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट आंसर्स ऑफ ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस which are very important. But before that, let us see what is the related GST rules regarding furnishing of bank details for the purpose of GST registration. The related rules is on your screen. Let us read it. Rule regarding furnishing bank account detail during registration. According to the provision laid down under Rule 10 Sub-Rule A of CGST as well as State GST Rule 2017, after a certificate of registration in form GST REG 06 has been made available on the common portal, and a goods and service tax identification number has been assigned, the registered person, except those who have been granted registration under Rule 12, that is TDS TCS detector, or as the case may be Rule 16, that is NRI taxpayers, shall as soon as may be but not later than 45 days from the date of grant of registration or the date on which the return required under section 39 is due to be furnished, whichever is earlier. Furnish information with respect to details of bank account or any other information as may be required on the common portal in order to comply with any other provision. So students, this was the rule regarding furnishing of bank account details at the time of making application for GST registration number. Let us discuss this rule in a simple way. The rule which I have read seems a little bit complex, लेकिन मैं इसे सिंपल लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन करूं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल it is to be noted that in this rule it is clearly stated that कि जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन की एप्लीकेशन करते समय बैंक अकाउंट की डिटेल देना ज़रूरी नहीं है. देयर इज़ नो रिक्वायरमेंट टू फर्निश बैंक डिटेल at the time of making application for GST registration number. The bank detail is to be furnished after GST number has been allotted and GST certificate has been issued, and that particulars of bank detail is to be furnished within 45 days from the date of grant of GST registration number or the day when GST return is due, whichever is earlier. GST नंबर पाने के बाद अगर आपको 10 दिन या 15 दिन में GSTR 1 फाइल करनी होगी, GSTR 3 भी फाइल करनी होगी, तब 45 डेज तक वेट करना नहीं है. आपकी जीएसटी रिटर्न फाइल होने के पहले ही बैंक डिटेल्स आपको फर्निश्ड कर देना पड़ेगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द बैंक डिटेल्स particulars of banks shall be furnished within 45 days from the date of issue of GST number or the due date of furnishing of applicable return, whichever is earlier. ये डेट आपको याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप जब लॉगिन करोगे तो आपके स्क्रीन पर एक पॉपअप ऑटो पॉपुलेटेड होगा जो आपको आगे बढ़ने ही नहीं देगा. पहले आपको बैंक डिटेल्स फर्निश करनी होगी, इसके बाद ही आप रिटर्न फाइलिंग कर पाओगे. Until unless the particulars of bank detail is furnished, the system will not allow to move forward. You must have to furnish the particulars of bank details. Then after you will be able to do all the activities which is related with the e-filing on the GST common portal. Again, one of the important point is to be noted is that furnishing of bank detail is not necessary for the taxpayers who has obtained GST number only for the deduction of TDS and TCS in GST. And also for NRI taxpayers, furnishing of bank details is not necessary. Last but not least important question which needs to be answered is that whether all bank details, saving, current, CC is to be furnished at the time of registration or after that. मान लो किसी टैक्स पेयर के पास 4 बैंक अकाउंट्स की डिटेल्स है, करेंट अकाउंट है, सीसी है, ओडी है, सेविंग है, तो क्या जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन के समय या जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन मिलने के बाद ये चारों बैंक डिटेल्स फर्निश करनी होगी? हियर द लॉ इज नॉट स्पेसिफाइड. देयर इज नो रिलेटेड प्रोविजन either in rule or act which makes it mandatory to furnish all the bank details in GST registration certificate. So students, it should be noted that if you furnish the details of one bank account, it is a compliance of the law. अगर 4 बैंक डिटेल्स भी देते हो, it is also compliance of the law. So it is wise to furnish the detail of one bank account. Do not furnish the detail of any other account because furnishing of minimum one account complies the law. So viewers and students, hope that you have understood the topic. If anyone has any comment, suggestion or any question, please write in the comment box. If anyone wants to take GST income tax TDS e-filing training with us, please write for the prospectus at the WhatsApp number given in the description box. Thanks for watching.